So it's early season of spring. You can see the fruit flowers. That's a peach tree, and some other flowers are ready. And we have the flowers, and of course there is the insect and some other stuff is going to attack on these flowers and plants. So we need to do something different with these trees so we can save the fruit. So today I'm going to show you we have a salmon, brothers. Not brothers, sorry. We have a salmon, a garden cat, salmon, insect killer dust that kills 150 listed insects. There's a lot of that kill actually everything. So that is a really good thing. That is a dust. So I'm going to show you how to throw this dust on the fruit trees, flowers, vegetables, and some other different stuff. So just stay with me. So I'm going to show you so you can see that's the red roses, that's the bushes, that is cherry. So you can see I'm just going to throw like this way on the flower. Just try to do at close to like an evening time, like this way. So these leaves can suck this dust, and that will wash at the evening time. That will be good. So make sure don't drop on the flowers. I'll show you the meaning of the flowers. See like this way. So that is the flowers. The fruit flower, that's the peaches. So don't throw the dust on the flowers. That is a bad thing. So we will just do the hair on the ground. And the best thing is also because we have the farmers, that is the fly catch of this thing is. So we just wrap around the tree. So the small insects that is not going to climb over the tree. And we have this the cherry plant. You can see that is just start growing. So I'm just going to throw like the powder on the leaf. Even you have the green giant trees, you can just throw like this way. That is good. That is not going to kill anything. So basically this salmon thing is really good if you will use. That is the simple thing. So that means whatever you just throw this dust, the leaves will suck these and this poison will remain in the tree. And any insect, bug or anything that is going to eat leaf or flower, they will die. That's the simple formula. So that is not the big deal, but that's this salmon thing, the salmon insect killer dust will remain for a long time. So that's the same thing. Red roses, that's the bushes, that's some other bushes. So that was really good. That is this. Actually, I don't know a lot of the plant names. So that is that we have the popular American popular. These are some other stuff. So let's do like this. You can find this salmon online, Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot, Tractor Supply, everywhere. It's easily accessible. So you can see that is my aloo bukhara. That's that tasty big one. That's the one I did. You can see, and that's the same thing we did the mosquito tape, the fly tape. So nothing is going to climb over the tree. That is really effective. That the fly tape is that what really good. So please like, share, subscribe my channel. As soon the fruit will be ready, I'll show you. Thank you.